Well, we're in Old Lyme at the Lions Club car show. This is our first time here. We brought in a 1957 Corvette, a 1962 Corvette, and a 1949 Ford Woody. It's a 57. It's tuxedo black, the red interior. It's got an original 283 cubic inch V8 in it, 270 horsepower with dual carbs on it, a 4-speed transmission. It was restored about 5 years ago. Right now, they're probably heading towards my son. They're just sitting over here at my left. He's been driving the 62 and slowly hand them down. Hopefully he'll hand them down to his sons. I don't sell nothing. I'm bad that way. Once I get something, I hang on to it. So now we just use them and enjoy them.